Sony Xperia Z5. The Sony Xperia Z5 Dual is a premium smartphone, every bit of which is designed to match perfection. The design is stunning, configuration is powerful enough to handle anything, and the built-in fingerprint scanner provides additional security. If you were waiting for a perfect smartphone to arrive, you can certainly consider this one. Camera-like smartphone. Display and design. The Sony Xperia Z5 Dual sports a 5.2-inch Full HD display which renders excellent visuals with its pristine image quality and vibrant colors. It comes wrapped in a metal body with a frosted glass back. It comes in 4 colors. Processor and OS. The heart of the Sony Xperia Z5 Dual smartphone has 2 GHz quad-core ARM Cortex-A57 and 1.5 GHz quad-core processors seated on Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 chipset and aided by an equally powerful 3 GB RAM and Adreno 430 GPU. It runs Android Lollipop v5.1 OS. The phone also has a fingerprint sensor built in the side panel for additional security. Camera and storage. The Sony Xperia Z5 Dual packs a superb 23MP primary camera with XMRR CMOS image sensor and a bunch of features including steady shot for pictures without blur, an LED flash, low light photography etc. It also has a 5MP front camera for great selfies and video calling with your near and dear ones. So, one can ditch it. Also comes with a 32 GB internal memory which can be increased to a limit of a massive 200 GB by inserting a microSD card. Battery and connectivity. The Sony Xperia Z5 Dual is fueled by a sealed 2,900 mAh LiPo non-removable battery. In terms of connectivity, it has dual SIM support and comes with a range of modern connectivity options including 4G, 3G, GPRS, Wi-Fi 802.11, 2.11, AC/B/G/N/N 5 GHz, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth v4.1, USB port, microUSB 2.0, DLNA, NFC etc. For more updates subscribe to Tech News and share this video.